Good morning to all. I am Mama Naik and today's my laptop topic is LIDAR. So in this topic, some contents are there. First, what is LIDAR? Then how was it developed? Then why to use LIDAR? How does LIDAR work? Advantage, disadvantages and applications. So first of all, what is LIDAR? LIDAR is an active laser remote sensing sensor. It is used to measure the distance of an object and form of the visual image of the object by using the laser beam. The basic principle reflection is used to form the visual image of an object. The time taken by reflected beam in the or to the actual distance of an. Then history of LIDAR. LIDAR was invented on the early 90s on the shortly after the invention of the laser. The general public became aware of the accuracy of useful the LIDAR system in 1971 during Apollo 15 mission. So when astronauts used to eliminate the surface of the moon during the Apollo 15 mission. Then why to use LIDAR? The speed and accuracy of laser is too much. Just by using computer process and three-dimensional information about the shape of the object, its surface characteristic can be obtained. Then how does LIDAR work? It is a block diagram of LIDAR. So first is laser, then scanner and optics, then foot detector, then review electronics, then position and navigation. This is the four important factors while during this scan. Then what is laser? A laser is 600 to 1K nm wavelength is used for the non-scientific and 1500 nm laser is mostly common for the scientific application. These lasers are inexpensive for geological survey companies. Then scanner and optics. The second step is scanner and optics. How fast an image can develop depends on the speed at which objects are scanned. This function is the optics is to manage angular resolution of the range that can be detected. Then photodetectors and receiver. The photodetector is a sensor that detects light, produce some of the signal as it outputs. Two types of photodetector are used for this system. One is solid state photodetector and second one is photomultiplier photodetector. Receiver electronic circuit store the coordinates of the reflected beam. After that, the last is position and navigation system. LiDAR sensor can be mounted on the mobile platforms such as airplanes and satellites. Hence, it is necessary to determine the absolute position and orientation of the sensor. This can be achieved by using navigation system like GPS, Global Positioning System. Then this is the graphical view of the how LiDAR system is worked. Then advantages: high accuracy, high data density, fast processing, and minimum human dependence. Disadvantages is in some applications, powerful laser beam needs to be used, which might harmful the eyes. Then application: measure rotation, measure speed, measure distance, 3D modeling, and visualization. Then there is a video of the LiDAR system. Here is the LiDAR system using the laser beam detect and scan the area. This is a 3D visualization which is received by the LiDAR system.
Things like buildings. Reflected signal then returns to the LiDAR sensor where it's recorded and stored as a distance. LiDAR data can be used to estimate tree height, measure power line static, detect changes in topography from one day to another, and numerous other applications. Phoenix LiDAR Systems is dedicated to making and sharing high quality content on this channel. If you have any questions for us, be sure to leave them in the comments section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. LiDAR, or light detection and imaging, is a tool used to quickly, accurately, and densely measure 3D features from the world.
Thank you.